Hey, cozy friends. Good morning. It is Monday. I'm back at home in my space, and we are going to try the Martha Stewart Green Juice every morning, Monday through Friday, and we're going to work out, and we'll do that anyway. But we're going to work out, take a nice shower or bath, whichever we choose, grease ourselves up and moisturize our skin and do face masks and just love on ourselves. That's all we're gonna do, is just be kind to ourselves, watch a rom-com, and we're just gonna have a good time. That's it. We're just gonna do all the things relaxing this week. So let's get to this green juice. First thing we're gonna do is use the juicer, and then after we use the juicer, we're gonna go to the blender and then blend everything up nice and smooth. All right, let's go. All right, so we're done with the juicer. So now I like to strain my juice. So we'll just strain it a little bit, run it through here a couple times. All right, so here's what it looks like. We're gonna dump that in there. We're gonna dump the oranges in there, the lemon, the mint, the parsley, and the ginger. And we're gonna blend. All right, now I'm going to add my collagen in here. And some of my sea moss. And we're gonna blend it again. All right, we are done. So now we pour it into our glass. Is that all of it? All right. And put it in the refrigerator. Go work out. Oh, you know what I need to add in here? One of these shaker balls. I think I bought like 6 of them for like $3 or $4 on Amazon. Put that in there, because it's gonna settle while you're working out. So put it in the refrigerator. Then after you get out, get in the shower, get your face all greased up with your moisturizer and your collagen and all that good stuff on your face. And then drink your green juice. And I know it seems like a lot of work, but guess what? You're worth it. So do it. Green juice all week. See ya.